Hi, I'm Patrick and I welcome you once again to my channel. In this video, I'm going to educate on massage, reasons to get a massage, and also dive into chiropractic adjustment. Massage used to be available only through luxury spas and upscale health clubs. Today, massage therapy is offered in businesses, clinics, hospitals, and even airports. If you have never tried massage, learn about its possible health benefits and what to expect during a massage therapy section. So what's a massage? A massage is a general term for pressing, rubbing, and manipulating your skin, muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Massage may range from light stroking to deep pressure. There are many different types of massage, including these common types: Swedish massage, deep massage, sports massage, trigger point massage. Benefits of massage. Massage is generally considered part of integrative medicine. It's increasingly being offered along with standard treatment for a wide range of medical conditions and situations. Massage benefits can include reducing stress and increasing relaxation, reducing pain and muscle soreness and tension, improving circulation, energy and alertness, lowering heart rate and blood pressure, improving immune function. While more research is needed to confirm the benefits of massage, some studies have found massage may also be helpful for anxiety, digestive disorder, headaches, insomnia related to stress, low back pain, nerve pain, soft tissue strains or injuries, sports injuries, upper back and neck pain, and also joint pain. What is a chiropractic adjustment? A chiropractic adjustment refers to a chiropractor applying manipulation to the vertebrae that have abdominal movement patterns or fail to function normally.
Ce l'avevi bisogno, eh?
Ah, sì. What happens when a chiropractor adjusts you?
Questa morbida.
Chiropractic adjustment uses crack or pop, that's cavitation, to remove restricted joint movement. This facilitates receptors inside the joint and reduces pain signals from the joint. The brain interprets the release in joint movement and reduces pain.
Non muovere la spalla, spingi col gomito indietro e dai un colpo secco all'indietro. È andata prima che...
Leave down a comment below and do not forget to check out the rest of my videos on this channel, PB Century. And be sure to get subscribed so you don't miss my new videos.